So for the wheel chrome delete, we want to make sure we prep the rims first. So just spray slip solution and then just clean the rims where the installation is going to happen. So we're going to start off with installing all the inside pieces first, and then once we're done installing all of the inside pieces, then we're going to finish it off with the ones on the edge. So for the more bigger pieces, just start off from the top end. Make sure you're covering the chrome design, and then from there work your way on installing the rest of the film. This one's pretty simple. It's just aligning and then tacking down until you cover up to here. For the smaller pieces here, it's the same process as this one. So just align it from the top. Make sure you're covering the top piece of the chrome, and then just make your way installing the rest of the film. Just like that. And you would just rinse and repeat the same process that we did for these to all the inside pieces here on the rim. And now that we finished installing all the inside pieces, now we work on installing the outer pieces. So the more longer piece will be, of course, for the longer section. So just like that. And for the more smaller section, it will be the smaller pieces. And once you finish installing all of the pieces, the last thing is just using the heat gun and go all around to start securing the film and helping the adhesive activate faster so the film doesn't lift over time. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to like the video, make sure you subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.